for my arrest for criminal damaging. I kicked in the co-signer's door, which is on the app. She is the co-signer. She was there, so I'm in all my legal rights to do it. Now, you get situations where cops don't know the difference between our laws and their laws. We're different. Under federal law, we're allowed to do that. We can kick the door in by any means necessary. Like basically printing out all the case law that I need to provide, and the paperwork that the co-signer signed. So basically, all the paperwork they need. She signed the waiver rights, which is in the application. So we actually have a separate form that says for consent to search, all damages are, the principal has to take care of, which is the co-signer or the defendant. So, and again, under federal law, we're allowed to do this. So I actually printed out the actual federal case law that protects me and the application to provide to the prosecutor.
Are you the one that I'm talking to?
Yeah, go ahead. I just cleared the warrant. We're not going to take you into custody because I'm afraid to. So go have a seat in the courtroom. I'm afraid to. Call you. What's going to happen? You'll be arraigned. They're going to assign you a judge, and then you go to see that judge. So, all right. All right.
So just got back to the car. I'm about to get my paperwork. They're probably gonna let me sit judge. So I'm gonna bring the federal law and the application in to show them that I had every right to do what I did.
You understand what you're charged with?
Yes.
Court's going to enter a plea of not guilty. You'll be taking up the judge Holden. He had a good brain. Yeah. He had a nice wife. Marcia, I think's her name. She used to be a basketball coach. I mean, she has a regular job.
All right, so what I'll do is I'll take a look. We'll set it for a pretrial, and then when we come back, we can take a look at it.
Okay.
Does that sound
Is
good?
that the same one that he summons me on the same day? Or is it gonna be something different?
Okay, yeah, so it's gonna be a different, so that's for today. So your summons was for today. What we'll do is we'll set it for a pretrial, and then we'll come back, and then at that point, I should have time to take a look at what's going on.
All right.
And then we can come to a determination on what we need to do.
Okay.
Does that work?
That's perfect.
Okay, nice meeting you.
All right, so provided all the paper. Basically, that's how I went up there to get a summons. I have some good friends that actually work here that told me I had the warrant. So thank God they told me. I could have been out working and actually got arrested. That would have been good. So they basically summons me out. I went to see the judge, provided the prosecutor with the paperwork, and he's going to look over. He said he's never seen a case like that. Like I said, out here there's not that many bail bondsmen. So all the time they're not used to dealing with certain stuff. Now a lot of police officers know who I am and they know the laws, but there's some that don't. I'm not mad at the officer that did this. The only thing that I am kind of upset about is I talked to him on the phone after the incident and he said nothing about it. But it is what it is. Like I said, it's all a learning. It's a learning for them because they don't know all our laws. So it's kind of good that it's happening, so it's not going to happen again. So again, I'm not mad at the officer. I'm not mad at the prosecutor. It's a learning situation. Everyone's going to learn what I can and cannot do. So we're going to see what happens. They set a pretrial, which I don't even think is going to make it to a pretrial because again, I provided him with the paperwork. He said he's going to look over it, and if it is what he said, his words, if it is what he think he is, they're just going to dismiss it. So either way it go, whether they dismiss it before the date or on the actual pretrial date, it's going to get dismissed. But again, learning experience. Actually never had a warrant. I thought they were going to send me to come find myself. So I was running for myself. All right, guys. So I did not have to go to court. The prosecutor did dismiss the case, as I knew. So yeah, I no longer have a warrant. I no longer have any pending charges, and I will be going straight to those people's house to kick their fucking door in again.